Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. I hope y'all are having a great day today. I have some awesome new clothing to show you by Lilicloth, and they have personalized special shirts with different sayings on them. Really crazy out there, really fun stuff, and I have quite a few things to show you today. Some tops and some pants from Lilicloth that I'm going to be trying on and doing a little try-on haul today for you guys so you can see all the different things. I picked out some tops that are kind of more personalized to me, meaning their words, their sayings and things totally go into my lifestyle. And they have a variety of really fun, funny t-shirts, tank tops, and other clothing on their website. So make sure to check them out at Lilicloth and stay tuned for the discount code so y'all can grab yourself a top or a pant personalized with an awesome saying that fits you. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Let me change into the first outfit. I have my first outfit on, and I'll say I have a medium top on and the large pants on. So they have a sizing chart, so of course you can follow that. They do kind of vary in size a little bit. I tried on some of the clothes and I noticed these fit me a little tighter than the other large pants that I got. So just keep that in mind, that some materials and they can slightly vary in size. So I have the vintage geometric top on, and they had a couple different colorways. So I got this colorway. As you can see, it's nice and soft out here. It is stretchy. It's a really nice, cute top. And I did pair them with the gray casual daily pant. And I'm going to put a leg up here for you so you can see. It has an elastic kind of ankle down here, kind of almost like a jogger. And what's really cool, they have this string and you can lift it up like here and you can tie it if you like, and a little bow if you like, if you want it to be more capri-like. So that's really awesome. They kind of remind me of the 2-in-1 pants. And they have pockets right here, as you can see. They're functional pockets and elastic waist draw. So I got the gray ones. Like I said, they do vary in sizes. I have another one I'm going to show you that fits me a little bit different, but it's the same pant. So these are the gray one. This is the vintage geometric top. Very soft top. This kind of almost feels more of like a, kind of like a linen, kind of almost like a linen pant right here. And it looks really good together. What do y'all think? Okay, let's go ahead and try on the next outfit. Okay, I'm back and I have a different top on. So this one's really has a fun saying on it. It says, gardening because murder is wrong. And it has the little cat here. I have a garden at home and I have cats. So super cute saying right here. It's like a printed on screen top. I got the black colorway, and it is the tank top one. I also want to say they had it in short sleeve as well. I can't remember. But the tank top does flare a little bit here where your armhole sits. So keep that in mind as well. This one is a medium top, and you can see, I'm going to turn it around so you can see the length as well. And it goes back like this. So just like this. Okay guys, let's try on the next outfit. I'm back with my next full outfit. So like I said before, we had the gray casual daily comfy pants on, and now I have the white on, and you can see this one is a little bit larger. I mean, I actually kind of like this fit a little bit better, more baggy. These are the white ones. So again, it has the drawstring right here, so you could wear them like this if you like to, or as a casual pant down like this. I am wearing the large pants with it. Now they are a little bit see-through in the back. I try to wear lighter underwear so you can't see as much. But keep that in mind so you can wear a longer shirt to kind of cover like such. And I have the medium V-neck cat You Are My Sunshine t-shirt on in gray. And I'm going to come up closer so you can see right here in cursive. It says You Are My Sunshine with a sunflower. It's screen printed on right here with the screen printed yellow cat. Super cute. And this top is super stretchy and super comfortable. I even could have probably done a small in this shirt. But I just followed the size chart. So it's very nice and very comfy. So what do y'all think about this outfit? Same with the pockets right here and the waistband. And like I said, the sizes vary a little bit. The white ones were a little bit larger on me, and I like this fit. What do y'all think? Okay, let me go ahead and try on the next top for y'all. I'm back with another top. Look at how cute this pink top is, guys. This one I think is my favorite kind of outfit combo I got going on right now. It kind of screams to me like beach vacation with the ladies, because I feel like, I didn't say this before, but I feel like these are kind of like beach pants because they're really light, and you could wear them at nighttime and have your legs covered, or if you're up on the beach, just pull that string and you can have a little leeway there so your pants don't drag, and also cooler for the warmer weather. So I have a medium top on again, and it says Margarita Emergency, call 911. And I thought this was the cutest thing ever because I love margaritas. Me and my friend likes to get some margaritas together all the time. Got to lunch, dinner. This is a really pretty vibrant pink, and of course it's screen printed on again. I got the medium on, and this material as well is super soft. Definitely probably my favorite shirt of them all. Definitely gonna wear this out as an outfit with some sandals, get my little sunglasses, ready to go out to lunch with the girls. Alright guys, oh, and that discount code, if you liked anything that you've seen today, you want to find a personalized top for yourself, because they have a lot of different cute and funny sayings on their website on Lilicloth. Discount code for 20% off is Flawless20. We're going to put it in the little description down below so you can go and grab those. Just showing off my top again. Super cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my try on haul, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Bye guys.